After today's trading sessions, I just don't really have much to say. Traded the evaluation account with the prop firm and then also the live account. Evaluation account, they're just two bad trades. With this evaluation account, I just feel the need to get in and get out, so I just look for trades pretty quickly, which is not the best thing to do. I'm not really waiting for any particular setups. I admit that that's wrong, and that's why we're not doing good on it. Switching over to my live account, I was using brackets, and I do a trade recap at the end that I would advise watching, because all three trades were like this close to playing out. We missed by a single tick on one trade, another one we missed by like a point, and another one we missed by like 3 points. So that's really frustrating, locking in a red day over the course of 3 trades because of such small margins. I guess there's nothing you can really do to fix that. That's just the way it is sometimes. Tomorrow, if we did those same exact trades, maybe it would play out because the market wouldn't move those few points within that amount of time. So just have to be okay with that. I'll play we'll do the live account first and then the evaluation account, but feel free to skip around. Thanks. All right, we're on our live account trading 1 micro NASDAQ at a time. It's a little after 10. This seems to be like the daily trend where we get a push in the morning and then a massive red dump. I think yesterday we did end up climbing up after that move, so we'll wait and see if we start to get that move today. But yesterday we had like our last trade was like a 38 point winning trade. Typically after I have like a good trade like that, a large trade, then I find myself chasing that, and I can't do that. So I have to go into this session looking for scalps. If the opportunity presents us with a large trade, we can try to get it, but I need to just stick to scalping, which a 38 point trade on the NASDAQ is a scalp, but you guys know what I mean. I need to just stick with my small scalps. I can't handle chasing 30, 40, 50 point trades all the time, and I hold on to losers way too long. I guess I could work on waiting for setups that present those opportunities. I guess I'm just not that familiar with them unless I'm looking at like a 5-minute chart, and it just seems like you have to be willing to go a lot deeper into the red than what I want to do in order to get those. I don't want to go short here. This 190 is like yesterday's high. We kind of blew right past it, came up and tested it. Let our brackets play out. We have a 10-point stop, 20-point take profit with an auto break even. If we hit 10 points and we move our stop to 7 points at profit. Just add another red trade to the day. We're gonna hit our stop and continue in the downtrend. It's like we're creating a little range down here. Kind of want to get in the low 70s, and then point of control just moved down on the ES, so maybe that indicates we'll start moving up. Well, buying in the low 70s would have, it did play out. I just didn't get in. I was a little scared from having a red trade already, so this feels like we're gonna go back down into the 70s. So selling kind of at the top of this range. We've been slowly grinding in this range, and as soon as I want to sell at the top, we get a quick. I swear it's like when you use brackets, the market sees those brackets and it's like, let's just go hit those real quick. It's only 10 points away. Really think I think 10-point stop loss is just too tight on the NASDAQ. We sold back here at 85, got stopped at 95. It went one more, not even a full point past our stop, and then ended up it did play out. We would have hit our auto break even. Same thing with this last trade, and it's doing exactly what I was expecting it to do. We hit our 10-point stop. It went 3 points past and then continued to play out. Even better than expected. So we're going to change the 10 points to 15 points. Got one more trade. If it's a red trade, then we're done. If we can start getting some green trades under today, we can keep going. I want to get in here where we passed this daily high at 91, and then we come back down and test it. Maybe we keep getting a push. One single tick away from moving our auto break even up. Point of control on the NASDAQ just moved down here to 87. And we're done for the day. Like these 3 trades today were so close to being profitable that if I keep thinking about it, it makes me pretty mad. This particular one, if we move 10 points in profit, then we move our auto stop or our auto break even to 7 points of profit, so we lock in at least 7 points. This one we needed to get to 05.25, and we got to 05. One tick away from moving our auto break even up and locking in at least 7 points. Of course, that was the one where we changed our bracket to allow for 15 points of drawdown. Second trade, we had at 10 points for a stop, and we went 3 points past that. $6 past our stop, and we could have been okay. And this played out, and it would have actually hit the full 20 points if we just left it alone, because we went to 77 would have been the 10 points where we brought our auto break even down, and we never went back and touched it, so it just flushed straight to it would have went straight to the 20 points. And then the first trade, again, our 10 points of stop, it went 1 or 2 points past it, 1 point, and then it would have eventually hit our auto break even for 7 points. So like the market not moving between the 3 trades like 4 points would have resulted in 3 winning trades. 2 would have been 7 points, 1 would have been 20 points. So we could have had 34 points today if the market didn't move by 4 points total, roughly. That's aggravating. I think if we break up into the 50s, we might get a little push to 60. All right, we're in one at 53. If there's a way to move this, I don't like it being that far out. We didn't really get a push. We got to push up into our entry and then slap back down to 40s. About to exit. Just trying to see if we can get a little closer to our entry and just get out. Yes, it's trying to push. Now we're gonna have to just get out. Sometimes breaking through those like resistance levels will net a quick little push, but apparently sometimes it doesn't. With the point of control did move up into the highs right as we were about to break through there. Yesterday that happened and we got a pretty strong push. Maybe with I don't know, it just didn't work out. Sometimes no setups are 100%, so sometimes they work, sometimes they don't. I want to see us go to 200 and maybe get a little rejection off of that. And we're testing 200. Got in at 203. It's too strong of some downward movements. Look at that. All right, another 2 red trades on this evaluation account. Again, I feel like I play this a little more aggressively, and I'm just like, I get on and I just try to get it done as quick as possible, not waiting for the best setups, obviously. It was only like $38 for the month to give it a shot. So, I mean, if we fail it, I'm not gonna pay a reset fee. I'll just wait for the next month because the reset fee is more than the $38. So we'll just wait for the next month for it to automatically reset. We didn't fail it yet, but we're getting close. We still have like $900 left on this account. Or, I mean, we're $900 away from hitting our loss limit, which will just lock us out and we gotta reset it. So we still got, if we keep our daily stop loss at 400, we still have at least 2 more days to try to get out of this. But again, I'm not that worried about it. So I'm going to end there for the evaluation account and then move on to our live account. Depending on how the live account goes, that one might be first in the video and this one might be second. So if this is the end, then you guys have a good rest of your Thursday, and I'll see you on Friday after the Friday morning trading session.